Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Dodge Avenger without a key. Losing your car keys can be frustrating, but there are several safe and effective methods to regain access to your vehicle. We'll cover common tools and techniques, discuss important safety precautions, and help you decide when it's best to call a professional. Let's get started with some practical solutions. One common method involves using a slim jim or a wedge to carefully manipulate the locking mechanism inside the door. Another technique uses a straightened coat hanger to reach and pull up the interior door lock button. Inflatable wedges are also useful for creating a small gap without causing damage. Remember, precision and patience are key when using these tools to avoid scratching your vehicle. Before attempting any method, always ensure you are the rightful owner of the vehicle. It's crucial to avoid using excessive force, as this can easily damage your car's paint, window, or internal locking components. Be aware that your car alarm might activate once you gain entry, so be ready to quickly disarm it. Taking these precautions will help prevent costly repairs. While these methods can be effective, there are times when calling a professional locksmith is the best option. If you don't have the right tools, or if your Dodge Avenger is a newer model with advanced security features, an expert can ensure safe entry without damage. Locksmiths have specialized equipment and can often create a new key for you on the spot, saving you time and potential frustration.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.